Hi there, welcome to this hands-on demo. My name is Lian Duan, and I have been a developer for over 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. We'll be installing Terraform on Windows 11. It's a pretty straightforward process, and I will guide you through it step by step. You can find the related Markdown and access files on my GitLab page, which I'll link in the description below. Before we get started, let me give you some background. In this video, we'll cover my demo environment details, Chocolatey versus Manual Install of Terraform on Windows 11, how to install and upgrade Chocolatey, using Chocolatey to install Terraform, use Chocolatey to install specific version of Terraform. So let's get started. Further things, let's make sure you are using Windows 11. To verify this, you can run this command system-info in the command prompt window or PowerShell window. If you see you are using Windows 11, then you are good to go. I believe my demo commands work on the old Windows 11 version. My current Windows 11 version is 10.0.22621. Now let's talk about the different installation. We will start with the Chocolatey versus manual installation. Just to be clear, Chocolatey and the Terraform package are not maintained by HashiCorp, but there are still great options. If you prefer manual installation, download and unzip the Terraform executable file from the official Terraform download page, and then we'll need to add the Terraform executable file to the path environment variable and test the Terraform command by running Terraform -version in the new open command prompt or PowerShell. But for this demo, we're using Chocolatey to install Terraform. It's super easy and save your time. To get started, we'll need to install Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows that allows users to easily install, manage, and upgrade software applications through the command line. Chocolatey is similar to apt-get on Ubuntu. How to install it? Open command prompt as administrator and copy-paste the highlighted command. You are able to install Chocolatey. If you run into any issues, you can refer to the official document. My demo environment Chocolatey is installed, so I skip this step. Once Chocolatey installed, we'll upgrade it to the latest version. Use command choco upgrade Chocolatey. Open the Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Run choco upgrade Chocolatey. Upgrade successfully. Next, we'll install Terraform using run command choco install Terraform. Install the software. Yes. Verify the installation by running Terraform -version. The version is 1.4.5. That means Terraform installed successfully. Switch back to my Markdown file. We already covered how to install Chocolatey and verification. Now, let's see. You need to install specific Terraform version. No problem. Open the PowerShell window again as administrator. Just uninstall current Terraform version using command choco uninstall Terraform. Yes. Search for available version using choco search Terraform +-- Let me try install Terraform version 1.4.0. Command is choco install Terraform +-- Our target version is 1.4.0. Yes, installed successfully. That's it for today's demo. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions or running into any issue, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you and see you in the next video.